guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make soya bean drink. Okay, so the process starts by you getting the soya bean and trying to select it, remove the unwanted stones. As you can see, I'm even seeing some of them in here. So guys, I've carefully selected the peanuts, removed the stone, the unwanted materials. Now I'm going to be adding it to a bowl and I'll add some water. Yeah, to make sure the water you add is way more than the water level covers the soya bean seeds. Yeah, so I'll leave it in water, soak it in water for at least, some people say 4 hours, some people say 6 hours, some people say overnight, but I think I'll be soaking mine for at least 6 hours. What I'll do is that I'll check from time to time, maybe in 6 hours, I'll check from time to time to see if it has softened. And the essence of soaking it in water is so that when you want to remove the peels, it goes out very quickly. That's just it, nothing else. So I'm going to leave it in water for at least 6 hours. Then I'll check if I need to soak it overnight. I'll still let you guys know. Yeah. Okay, so I've washed it, removed the peels. I know it's not totally more. See what I removed. So I'm going to add this into the blender right now. I think this is enough for one blend. I'll go in and add some water. Enough water. Next thing is to sieve. You can do this with a cheesecloth, but I don't have a cheesecloth, so I'm doing it with my sieve, which is also fine. You sieve the soy juice. So remember I said you can do this with a cheesecloth. Soya bean. You can add some water because, as you can see, there's still some milk in that, so feel free to add some water. I won't be adding water now because I still have of soy juice. Added some water, like I mentioned. And there's still plenty milk in this. I added some water. You can see. Okay, for lack of space, I'm going to pour this into the pot where I'll be cooking the soy milk and continue extracting the milk, yeah? Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Hit the subscription button. Share this video with your friends. As usual, you can learn this and start a side hustle with it, okay? And also, another thing you have to know is that nothing in this soya bean is a waste. Even this, after extracting it, you can still use it for something, yeah? Maybe I'll teach you who can tell me in the comment section what you think we can use this for after extracting it. I'll teach that in the next video, but can you tell me what you think I can use it for in the comment section? I'll be waiting. This is what our soya milk looks like. I'm going to be turning on my cooker and I'm preheating this for at least between 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, this is currently on the cooker, so I'll continue to stir to make sure that it doesn't congeal under. Continue to stir the soya milk. Continue to stir. You cook it for some minutes. Continue to stir. This is a lot, man. So you keep on stirring. Make sure that it doesn't stick under. It doesn't congeal. Keep on stirring. So now I want to add in my vanilla essence. This is optional. If you want, you can add it. Some people actually add it at the beginning, but I just want to add it to mine now. It's optional, and I try not to add it. Some people, their soy milk is just made with sugar and the soy milk, so it depends on what you want. Some people also add their sugar and stir it with this. It's just optional, but I'm adding mine now. So guys, I'm going to turn it off now and allow it to cool. So after you have cooled it, then you have to sieve it again. You can use what do they call it, cheesecloth, but I'm using what I have. Sieve it again to make sure that there are no particles. So you can see that there are still some tiny So after this, the next thing is to add your sweetener. Your sweetener can be anything that you want it to be. For me, I'm going to be using honey. You can add sugar or any other sweetener as you deem fit. Yeah. So once you add your sweetener, you stir it And your soya bean drink or soy milk drink, sorry, your soy milk drink is ready. It's ready. So you can put this in the fridge. Yummy goodness. You can then go ahead, proceed to put them in bottles and store in the fridge. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.